What up, TK Fox fam? We're back here with another video. Alright guys, I'm not even about to do that, but seems like everything's clearing up, and today's video is gonna be pretty awesome. Today's vlog is gonna be kind of short, but today's video slash vlog is gonna be sponsored by the one and only Yoshi the Drifter. You already know, guys, hitting up them clubs, but yeah, seriously, I got something interestingly cool planned for you guys today. Pretty cool video planned for you guys today, so stay tuned for that throughout this vlog. So let's prepare for a vloggy day. Hunter, buddy, meow meow, how are you? How are you? What? Don't be shaking off my pet on your head. That my hand's disgusting? My hand's not disgusting, buddy. Stop it.
I'll be eagerly waiting to see what happens when capturers come face to face. Until next time, Sinbad. He disappeared. That man just disappeared.
Alright, before even that starts continuing, I'm about to go and do a little bit of a stream of video, so probably tweet it out on my Twitter. You guys can catch, I'll try to make it my own word, catch a stream with me if you want. But yeah, I'm about to go do that, and after that we'll get on with the video. Stay tuned for that. And that is how noisy it is in my house, guys. Stay tuned for more. What up, fam? So, we're out here. About to do this little install. That's the surprise I had for you guys. And by the help of my cameraman. Alright, we need good lighting.
Good evening.
So, first things first, guys. We need to unscrew all these buttons right here. These bolts, these two bolts. Even though it has four holes, guys, to unscrew 2 bolts. Put that right there. And let's get unscrewing. Holy crap, it's tight.
I think it's the other way.
Could be, or like I think just put it on like this.
No, I think you put it on with that.
But it could be like that. Could be that's how it put it on.
Oh no, you just put it on by itself, yeah. Put it on by itself.
Yeah, I put it on by itself because it shows the full thing. Let's these screws, put the full I hope the lighting's good for you guys. I'm not just sure if the lighting is good. Editing this vlog, guys, this video, I will show you. I will definitely see how good the lighting is. This actually, wait, I put it on. Yeah, I put it on right. Alright.
2,000 years later.
Go. Oh my god, so hard. And for the moment of surprise. Bam! Okay, let's see if I can
What's
get
that?
that. Is the sticker we need to put on so they know. I have to put this on right.
When the license plate expires.
Oh crap.
Ow.
I messed it up, guys!
I guess we only put it on once.
Alright. that should work. I hope that you guys, like, look at this. Oh man, the lighting is so bad, but look at that, guys. Yeah, I ripped it just like a little bit over here, so I hope that doesn't mess up anything. But yeah, that's how you install a license plate on the back of your van. Just some easy stuff. No, I don't know. I think I might hang this up in my room. The license plate thingy, whatever this is called. Comment down below, guys. And yeah, got like this weird paper. You guys can see it. We're supposed to put this in the glove compartment of the thingy, so if cops ask for like license, registration, and stuff like that. So yeah, that is the end of this install video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. I know it was a very short, well, not really short, but like, you know, it was a very interesting video slash vlog. I thought someone was behind me there, but it's just the door that's there. But yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Comment, like, and tell me, guys, what you think of this short install video. Even though it didn't really feel short, it felt kind of long. Anyway, I'm out. Bye.